Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hariri bin Zulkifli.
My name is Hai Imam Azlan.
And my name is Muhammad Rizal bin Syafruddin.
So today we will conduct our second continuous assessment for task 2, which is role play. So we will start now. Okay, Assalamualaikum to all my beloved students and good morning. Oh, we can say good night. Okay.
Waalaikumsalam sir.
So today, as I conducted you last week, I asked you to bring
Malaysian flag.
yes, Malaysian flag. Thank you. So who and Rizal?
Yes sir.
Just both of you in my class today.
Yes.
Okay. So I asked you to bring this Malaysian flag and drawing paper.
Yes sir.
And this one is postcard. So as I asked you last week, you know what we will learn today, guys? Okay, good first.
I remember anything.
You don't remember anything?
Yes.
How about you, Sharita?
I think I remember sir. We just learned about design principle.
Yes. So last week we have learned about design principles. Start from drawing a line
Yes.
to a shape.
Yes.
So from it we can insert the color
Yes.
for this week. So today we will learn about
color.
okay. More specifically, we will learn about the color of wheel. So the color is of wheel. So we have three part of color of wheel, which we can learn later. I will explain to you later. First, why I want you all bring this flag? Because the color of Malaysian flag contains the three main color in the color wheel. So all of what is the color? What are the colors in this Malaysian flag? Okay, good. Green. Okay, which one is green? You can see any green color in this Malaysian flag?
I don't see any green here, sir. I think we just want to make a joke.
Okay, no. This more serious, okay? Okay, what are the colors in this Malaysia flag? Okay, just
Red.
one. Okay, red. Yes. So Sheridan, can you give another two color?
As I can see here,
Yes.
there is two more color for the three main color, which is the other two is yellow and blue.
Yes, very good, Sheridan.
Thank you, sir.
Yellow, blue, and blue. Say before that.
Green. Red.
Okay. Red, yellow, blue. So these three color is the main color for us to make many more color that we can see in our perspective. For example, green, purple. So the second tier of the color is made from this main three color, which is red, blue, and
Yellow.
okay, group one first. So this is why I just you all need to remember just remember the Malaysia flag, and you will remember the three main
color.
Yeah, for the color wheel. So today, after this, we can do the color for color wheel. So can you help me to open this and take out the three main color?
Lemon color. Is this lemon color?
This brown. This brown.
It's brown.
Take another one.
Another one.
Yes.
This.
This orange.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yes, I think you should see the Malaysian flag first before you take the color.
Is this?
Yes, it is good. This color in Malaysia flag, but this is not the main theme of the color wheel first year.
Let me help you. This is the red that the Malaysia flag color. This is one of the three main color in the color wheel. So you must take out the other two.
Take the other two.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Just like I said, this is yellow. This is also the color from the Malaysia flag, and there's the other one.
Three color. Oh.
Yes.
This one.
Let me see. Yes, this ultramarine. So it's also in the Malaysia flag. So it is synonym with ultramarine is synonym with the blue one. Yes, right. So this is the red one. So this is the yellow one. Okay. So this is the main theme of the color wheel, if you want to know. So good. Yes. If we combine two this color, blue and red, what is the color will appear for the second tier of color wheel? As you know, or what do you prefer, or what do you think the color that will?
Is that yellow?
It will produce another delistic color.
Oh.
Yes. As the many more color that we know, so what is the color that will produce from these two combination of blue or ultramarine and this brilliant red color? What do you think?
Is that green?
So I think I can help, sir.
Yes.
So before this, I already learned about this color theory, but if you combine red and blue, it will become purple. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, correct. Sharizan. Thank you, Sharizan, for the explanation. So if we combine blue color and red, we will produce the purple one. So the purple one here, you can we don't have it. You can see in this 12 color, we don't have it in this palette. So if you want to produce the purple one, we should combine these two color palette. Okay. So okay, Sharizan, I want you can say that when we combine this color, we produce purple. So what about the yellow and red? What is the color that will be produced from?
I think no,
Okay,
green.
you go first. Yes, but it's not the. It is the another one. But for red and yellow, can you say to me, Sharizan, what is the color?
I think I forgot, sir. Maybe you can explain to us.
So when the color red and yellow color is combined, we will produce the orange one, which is this. So when we have lost or out of stock of this color in our palette, so we just combine these two main color and we will produce the orange one. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good one. So one more combination, as you tell before, color, what you say before this, which is color?
Green.
Yes, green. It is the combination of the ultramarine or blue color and
And the yellow.
Yellow.
Yes. Good one, yes. So with that combination, we have produced how many color that we have now? From 3 to
6, sir.
yes, 6. 3 color to 6. So from these 3 main color, now we have produced 6 color. So now we will move to the tertiary color. In the third tier of the color wheel, we have the tertiary, which is the combination from the main color and the second layer color, or the two sum of second tier color, which the color that we have been learning before, which is green, purple, and orange one. Yes, good. So, what do you think about the warm color? Which is in my book here, is state that some like the color one, the orange or yellow one. So, what do you feel about that color? What is the spirit of the color? Do you feel energetic, or do you feel that you want to be angry if you see the color? What is your opinion about the color?
I think when I see red, I see I'm the hot one.
Oh, you are the hot one.
Yes.
Okay, you are the hot one. Okay, Sharizan, what do you feel or do you like the warm color or like the white or the blue color? Type of color what?
I usually use the warm color because what I have learned that warm color can describe mood and describe situation. For an example, like if we use warm color like red, yellow, we can create orange layer for the sunset situation. Is it right, sir?
Yes, this is a good explanation from Sailan, as you said before. So I just think that we must combine the color so that it will be more harmony in our art and design. So as last week we have learned about the principle, so today we learn about the color. So I just want you all take one of you each. So we'll start to color, and this I ask you to take a brush, the palette. Yeah, just open and just take a pencil and just I just prepare for you before the class. So first thing, just draw the circle for the first layer.
How to draw a circle? Is it like this?
Oh, so class, you can see this?
Yes.
So I take the okay. This is
It's a rectangle.
yeah, it's rectangle. So can you show us how to draw a
So
circle?
let me help you. So if you can draw a circle, you can use other method to draw a circle. You can use this poster color and you trace it. Use pencil. Still like this. No, you must take it serious. Let me guide you. You put it here,
Yes.
and you trace it.
You please be more serious in my class, okay?
Okay.
Yes, that's the right way to do it.
Yes.
So, okay, the first one, you have drawn the circle.
Yes.
So divide it into the three sections. You got me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Divide it.
Am I doing the right, sir?
Yes. Looks like it.
Oh, it's not like this.
It's not the right one. So I ask you just to draw one circle.
Oh.
Yes, one only.
One only.
Maybe I think that that's will be a swap circle. Another side. Yes.
Can I draw?
Yes. Yes. So as we learned before, yes. So what is the color that we need to put there for the tree section?
Purple.
Purple for the
second year.
second year, yes. So first one, Sharizan, can you?
The first one, we have 3, and the first one is red.
The first one is red.
Yes. So we need to write it down, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So that we can classify that first. Okay, red. And the second one is
Green.
so in Sharizan, can you have put?
It's not green actually, but you must know that it is the second time. These are the 3 main colors. So what do you think about the other 2?
Blue and yellow.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Just put it down. Just jot it down. Okay. So for the next step is, okay, I just want you to take the color actually and just draw it to fill the blank in your white paper. But I think that we don't have enough time today to done it all. So I just think that we will continue this next week. And Sharizan, from this class, what you get from this class, and can you give some advice to all of our friends here?
So basically, today we have learned about color wheel. The color wheel have 3 main parts, which is the premier, the secondary, and the third. And we learned today we must focus on what the teacher have said, or what he or she teach us, so we can be more understand. But it's alright, good if you don't have that focus, you can ask your friend. You can always ask me. How about you? How do you feel about this learning today?
I feel
Happy. Yes, of course we are happy. We learn together with Sir Hariri, our favorite teacher.
So, but I just want to give some advice to all of you, not just for work. In our class, we just need to listen to our teacher. So whoever that come into class and give you the memorable lesson, so just listen to them and be more respectful, and be more focused in their class, so that we will get full attention and we can get it done together. So for the last one, I just want to Sharizan give his reflection, so I want to ask you for the last one. What reflection of this class today?
I think we should ask friends, yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's all from you.
I think that's all from me.
Okay. So I just hope that you will be more focused on the next class, and we will meet again, inshallah, next week. And that's also me. Thank you, class.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.